Hey guys, I hope you had a great weekend. We're going to continue solving equations, linear equations, but this time what you're going to have to do is you're going to distribute. You're going to see parentheses with the number in front of it. So if you look at the example that I have in front of me, this is the example that you would see on Delta Math, or an example like you would see on Delta Math. So the first thing you're going to have to do is you're going to have to distribute. Whatever the number is in front of the parentheses, you're going to have to multiply it by each term inside the parentheses. So when we're multiplying, just multiply the numbers. 2 times 5 is 10. There's no other x's, so just copy the x. And then 2 times 10 is 20. Then this is just like we did last week in the beginning of the week, where you actually have to get the x by itself. So we're going to always add or subtract first and then divide. So we want to get this x by itself. So we're going to get rid of this positive 20 by subtracting 20. And now I'll be left with on the left-hand side a 10x, and on the right-hand side, 20. Last thing we're going to do, now that x and the number are next to each other, that's multiplication. Divide by 10. X equals 2. So one more example I'll do with you. Let's see, you had 3, 2y minus 1 equals 9. First thing you're going to do, the 3 is in front of the parentheses. You're going to distribute. So 3 times 2 is 6. Keep the y. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3 equals 9. Remember what we said? We add or subtract first. We want to get this y by itself. So we're going to add the 3, since the opposite of negative 3 is positive 3. 9 plus 3 is 12. And the last thing you're going to do, these are next to each other, which is multiplication. Divide by 6. Y equals 2. Okay, so you're just going to have a couple of these to do, and then we'll continue distribution in 2 days, but we'll actually see variables on both sides. So these are definitely the easier ones when you only get variables on one side. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me in the Talking Points app. Hope to see you guys soon. Bye.